Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I've been gone for so long. I'm sorry. There's just been so much stuff going on and everything, but I'm back and I am going to be doing a review on a new Chanel foundation that just came out. I don't know exactly when it came out, but I know it came out not that long ago. And sorry if you keep hearing a dog bark. I'm at my parents' house in my old room, and my dogs are literally like right outside my window, so they don't shut up. But anyways, I'm going to review the Ultra le Teint Chanel foundation. So if you want to see how it comes out and everything, just keep watching. All right, let's get into this video. So here's a foundation. It's a little dirty. It looks like that. I'm in the shade BD31. To be honest, I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I already tested it out when I first got it, just to test it out. I'm going to review this foundation for like the next 2 days. I'm gonna insert a clip of how everything came out. I work today, I work tomorrow, 8-hour shifts, so I'm going to do a full review on it to see if it lasts my 8 hours since I'm busy. I'm walking around, I'm really active, so obviously we'll see how it comes, if it comes off, if it blotches or anything. Supposedly Chanel foundation is really good. Everyone always raves about it. Everyone says it's really good. So I mean, if it supposedly holds up to its name, then I'm happy. If not, I mean, this is $60. I also got the I can't pronounce these names. I'm sorry if you guys like say I'm saying it wrong. I'm sorry. It's called Le Teint Ultra Teint. I don't know. It's the broad spectrum SPF 15 sunscreen compact. I'm in the shade 30 beige. That's how it looks. I'm going to also review that. So for now, let me start putting my foundation on, guys. All right. Okay, so I put 2 pumps right now from the foundation, and I'm gonna dip my brush in. I'm gonna test the foundation with the brush, and then tomorrow I'm gonna try using my beauty blender to see what works better with this foundation. But supposedly anything works with this foundation, it just still works so good. So like you could kind of see foundation on my face. It looks really flawless, huh? And I like to do parts of my face first because I feel like it covers better like that. Like you end up getting everything instead of missing parts on your face. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm saying. So technically I need more than 2 pumps. And that's how my face looks. Oh my gosh. It looks so good, huh? Look how flawless my face looks. Like, it looks really good. I like it. So I'm going to put on the rest of my makeup and then I'll get back to you guys. I review halfway through the day and see how everything goes. Okay. So we're at a car dealership right now. This is how it looks after a few hours of applying. Still looks popping. Oh, I forgot to tell you, this is how my makeup came out after all. Looks good. I think overall it looks pretty good still. Besides a little bit on my nose, so that's because I rubbed it. So this is 8 hours of me wearing the new Chanel foundation that I just got. I'm at work, so that's why I'm kind of whispering. But yeah, this is how it looks 8 hours into it. No touch-ups, nothing. The only thing that came off was a little bit on my nose, but that's because I keep going like this. But I think it looks good. I really like it. Yes. I recommend, trust me, recommend. I've been getting compliments all day too. So y'all should go get some. It's $60, but it's worth $60. This is day 3. It actually still looks good. I really like it. So obviously I want to buy more of the skincare products from Chanel. So maybe if I do that, I will do a review on that too. But since it is pretty pricey, I don't know. But I think it's worth it. I like it, so I'm gonna stick to it. I'm going to review this tomorrow. So keep in mind, I'm gonna upload a video tomorrow. Since I do not work, I have time to do that. Along with, I got the brush. The highlighting palette, I think it has a blush inside as well, and an eyeliner. So keep in mind, I will have that up tomorrow. I don't know what time, but I will. So subscribe, like this video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see the video tomorrow, the Game of Thrones, subscribe so you don't miss out.